Hi, I'm Adam Klaptocz, co-founder and CEO of Rigi Tech, a startup based in Lausanne that we founded together with David Rivera and Oriol Lopez. At Rigi Tech, we're revolutionizing healthcare logistics through intercity cargo drone deliveries. Today, you have to wait hours or days to get the results of a blood test. By linking hospitals and laboratories with a direct drone link, you get your results within minutes and can start your treatment immediately. In the next months, we're going to start operating our first route in Switzerland as a showcase before starting new routes throughout Europe. The Venture Kick program has challenged our business plan and made it stronger. In our vision of the future, whether you're in town in Switzerland or in a village in the middle of the Amazon, you'll be able to get your diagnostics immediately and start your treatment faster.